to Edit, Preference add-on and enable a Node Wrangler add-on. Now open Horizontal Split. And now go to Shader Editor. Create a new one and on base color put this X code. Now Shift A and search this node, Burner Texture, Color Ramp and Bump. Now in scale of Burner Texture put 91.7. Now select Burner Texture and press Ctrl Shift and left click to preview it. And now take the Color Ramp and put it between the Burner Texture and the output. Now take the Bump and put it between the Color Ramp and the output. Now decrease the strength to your liking. Now select your principal BSTF and press Ctrl Shift left click to preview it. Now take the normal of the bump and put it into normal of the principal BSTF. And that's it. If you want to learn how to create this basketball shape, watch this tutorial.